if your AI chatbot doesn't understand audio messages, then you're going to lose leads, because a lot of people don't want to waste their time by typing, and they just send audio messages to various messengers, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, whatever. So for those scenarios, you want to make sure your AI agent understands what's written in the audio message. And you may think, oh, ChatGPT can transcribe audios to text, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Elevenlabs, because Elevenlabs API works better than ChatGPT audio transcriber, because for some languages, ChatGPT is not very, it doesn't give good results. For example, for my Kazakh language, it gives a lot of mistakes, but Elevenlabs is very high quality. Okay, that's why for some people this video will be useful. Maybe non-English speakers out there, you're gonna find this very useful. Okay, so let's start. Let me show what this bot does. So I send this Telegram message, audio message to my bot, and it gave me the text of it. Okay, so it transcribed the audio to text, and it's very high quality. There's no mistakes at all. And so this is what I'm going to build here in this NA10 workflow. If you don't know about NA10, go watch my other videos. It's a very good platform for creating AI agents, AI automations. Okay, so first step, you can, by the way, download this NA10 workflow. I will download JSON file and then upload to my free school community. Let me show you. In my free school community, you can find the this template, and you can download like this. You click on it, you click download, and that's it. You import to your NA10 environment. Okay. So first of all, let me show you what it does. First of all, it receives Telegram message. Okay. Then next step, it checks whether it's a voice or text. If it's voice, then we need to transcribe. If it's not voice, then we can just pass the text as it is. So if it's voice, do the notes which are shown here. First of all, I want to make sure I download the audio message. Okay, so here I do this, and then I send this audio message to Elevenlabs API. Here's the URL. This is the post method. You need to select post method, and you need to provide your API key. API key you can get from Elevenlabs. If you don't know about Elevenlabs, you go and register on this website using your email. It's very easy. Then you go to the app, and then you go to your profile and click API keys. In this API key section, you create a new API. Create new API, then just give some description, and when you create, it will give you API key. You need to copy that API key somewhere safe, because it will not show you later. After that, you go to here, create new credential. Okay, and let me show what the name of parameter is. You go here, create new credential, put this name specifically, and then for the value parameter, you need to paste that API key, okay, that you received from Elevenlabs. That's it. After that, you will have this authorization. Also, other parameters are, you need to select send body, then model ID. Model ID, Scribe v1 is the latest model. Then next parameter is the file itself, the audio message, which we are receiving here as an input from the previous node. And then the name of the file is data, as it's written here. Okay, that's it. After that, as an output, you receive this transcribed message. Okay, so that's it. After that, you send this transcribed message to the Telegram using this node. It's very easy. You may think why we need this bot. You don't need this bot. I'm just showing how you can transcribe audio using Elevenlabs API. In your AI agent, you will check if it's voice or not. If it's voice, you download it and send the text to your LLM. For example, OpenAI ChatGPT GPT 4.0. It will process that text and do whatever the actions he wants to do later. So that's it. Feel free to download this template from my free school community. I'll upload it here. And if you have any questions, comment and ask below. I will be glad to answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.